This video will guide you toward the easiest and most reliable way to export Gmail, Google Takeouts, to the Microsoft Outlook PST file. Let's begin the step-by-step process of converting Gmail to PST. First, you need to open your Gmail account. Then, click on your Gmail account profile and go to Manage your Google account. Here you can see multiple options such as personal info, data and privacy, security, people and sharing, and payment and subscription option. Now click on Data and Privacy option. Scroll down and go to the Data from the Apps and Services section. Here you can find the Download or Delete your data option. Now click on Download your data. Now you can see all Google product data available to download. First, deselect all product checkboxes and select the Mail option from the list. Now scroll down and click on Next Step. You can see multiple destination options such as Send Download Link via email, Add to Drive, Add to Dropbox, Add to OneDrive, and Add to Box. Here, we select Send Download Link via email option and select Save Frequency to Export Once. For file type, we select the Zip option and click on Create Export Link. You can see the Export Progress message. Once the export progress is complete, you will receive the download link in your email. Now open your email and download your Gmail MBOX file. From here, follow these easy steps to convert your emails from Gmail MBOX to Outlook PST format. First of all, unzip your Gmail MBOX folder. Next, install and open Stellar Converter for MBOX on your PC. Choose the Google Takeout Source email client and click on Select File. After selecting Gmail MBOX file, click on Convert button. After the scanning process is complete, you can see a message box appears with scanning completed successfully. Now click on OK. It takes a few seconds to load all your mailbox emails. Now, you can examine the preview of each mailbox component. Now, click on the Save Converted File option. Here you can find several saving options such as New PST, Existing PST, EML, and MSG. Here, we are going to save the converted Gmail MBOX file to PST. Select the New PST option from pop-up window and click on Next. Now, choose the destination path where you want to save your converted Gmail MBOX file and click on the Save option. You can see the conversion process start, and it takes a few minutes to complete. Once the conversion process is completed, you can see Conversion Completed pop-up window. You can check your PST file by clicking on Open Containing Folder. And that's it. I hope you have liked the video. For more detailed information, you can check out Stellar Converter for MBOX product page. In addition, you can find the link in the description.